How to connect Monopoly Go to Swagbucks. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Morning Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to connect Monopoly Go to the Swagbucks. Connecting Monopoly Go to the Swagbucks is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Log into Swagbucks. Start by logging into your Swagbucks account on the website or app. Navigate to Play. Go to the Play section. This is where you will find those games. Search for Monopoly Go. Look for Monopoly Go in the list of available games. Use the search function if necessary to find the specific offer for the game. Select the game. Click on the Monopoly Go to see the details. Make sure you read the requirements to ensure that you will be able to earn Swagbucks by participating. Follow instruction. Follow the instruction provided in the game. This usually involves installing the game and completing a specific action or reaching certain milestone within the game to earn SP. Complete the required action. Make sure you complete any required action in the game, such as reaching a certain level or making in-game purchase if required by the offer. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.